it's not the battery test, it is the alternator test or a hybrid vehicle. Okay, continue. So we're gonna go ahead and go above 2000 RPM. So let's go ahead and do that now. Boom, done. Quick, easy, straight to the point. Hey everyone, how's it going? So today what I wanted to do is I wanted to talk about one of the workshop tools, specifically the alternator test that's available with the 7111. So let's go ahead and get going on that. One of the reasons you guys might want to check that is maybe if the vehicle is, you find that your battery is not fully charged, you're having issues, maybe dim lights, whatever the case may be. Just if you suspect you have an alternator issue, let's go ahead and this will go ahead and give you the answer. So let's scroll down. Okay. You guys might remember this from one of the previous videos, but yeah, it's not the battery test, it is the alternator test. Okay, it needs to be running at normal temperature. Okay, that's fine. Turn on your headlights. Okay, that's fine. Do not do this with the smart alternator. All right, that's cool. Or a hybrid vehicle. Okay, continue. So we're going to go ahead and go above 2000 RPM. So let's go ahead and do that now. As soon as you hit that, you can notice that your countdown is going to start. Just a word of advice, if you're going to be doing this, try to make sure you're in a ventilated area. I am currently in my garage. My door is wide open behind me. And even then, I should have probably done it outside, but whatever, here we are. Turn the headlights off. And let's go ahead and move them to let's go to a normal RPM range. And that's it. Boom, done. Quick, easy, straight to the point. It's letting you know that we are within range. So there's really nothing else we have to do. So let's go ahead and get out of here. Let's go back. And that's it. That's all there is to it. Anyhow, I just wanted to show you guys how quick, how easy, and how efficient that was. If there's something else you guys want to check out down the line, please let me know, and I will go ahead and do it, record it, upload it, and get you going. All right, thanks a lot, guys.